Hey everybody, Hunter with SW Marine here in Palo, Iowa. Today I want to do a video walkthrough tour of the Excel SWV4. This model in particular that we're going to be talking about today is the 1860 dual gun box model. First and foremost, I'll point out the Optifade Marsh Camo paint option that we have this boat equipped with. And then also you can see it's on a Diamond City trailer. This is an all aluminum trailer with the aluminum alloy rim upgrade to it. Coming up to the front of the boat here, you can see that we do have the Spud Pull factory option upgrade on this boat. You have a Spud Pull in the front and the back corner that allows you to anchor up in shallow water without actually having to throw an anchor. It's a really nice feature to have. Coming back here, you can see the logo on the side. It's got the Excel F86. What that is it's a 125 thousandths hole thickness on this boat with a 5086 aluminum alloy upgrade. So this boat is super durable. It's going to be able to handle all the rigors that a mud boat needs to be able to go through. And part of that is because it's got the thicker hull, the hardened aluminum alloy, but also because this boat is longitudinally braced. So that's going to be really important in your shallow water boat application. As we move around to the back of the boat here, this is a really nice feature. It's the what Excel calls their step deck. It makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat. You pair that with the optional rear grab bars, and it's a really user-friendly way to be able to get in and out of the boat. At the heart of this boat, we have it powered with a Mud Buddy 40 EFI 25th Anniversary Edition. If you'd like to learn more about the 25th Anniversary Edition motor, check out one of our videos that we just shot on our surface drive mud motors. As far as performance goes with this engine on this boat, all of our customers have been very satisfied so far, and they're reporting back that they're getting somewhere between the mid-20s to the upper 20s as far as speeds with a load. So in addition to being able to push the top end speeds, this boat handles very well, and part of the reason that it handles so well is that it's got a triple tapered chine. What that triple tapered chine is going to allow you to do is, even with your surface drive motor, when you're going through the corners, the boat's actually going to roll on that chine to allow you to take those tight corners at speed. So we'll start at the back of the boat here. The 1860 dual gun box is going to come standard with a grab bar. We do have this upgraded to have the Mud Buddy trim switch on it. Also, you can see on the interior of this boat is sprayed with a non-skid liner. This is like a truck bed liner. It's super durable and really easy to clean. At the driver's position here, you've got a nice storage compartment. In the back of the boat, you've got storage here. You've got room for a cranking battery and a trolling motor battery. We do have the trolling motor bracket and wiring upgrade to this boat. You can see it's got a fuel tank and then a switch panel for all of your accessory switches here. And then also we have an aerated live well. The aerated live well is really important to us because what we find is a lot of our customers are using this boat for multi-purposes, and we got to have it equipped to be able to do a little bit of everything for those customers. So moving up through the boat, you're going to see why they call this the dual gun box model. You've got a gun box on the port side and the starboard side here. Lots of space in there for storing everything. And then on this side, you've got a really nice spacious gun rod box. It also is equipped with 2 rod tubes to be able to store your fishing poles as well. Up here, underneath the bow, it's got a built-in 11-gallon fuel tank. It's a really nice option to have. And the other thing to consider there is that that built-in fuel tank in the front of the boat is going to help with your weight distribution. So it's going to help to get the nose down and have this boat run flat and get optimal performance. So that pretty much wraps everything up here with the 1860 dual gun box model. If you guys have any questions about this model or similar models from Excel, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number out here at the shop is 319-851-3825. And we appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos here.